Yes, hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior Designer. So, thank you for the support that you are bringing towards this channel. We are road at for 2,000 subscribers. Now we are at 1,700. So I will appreciate you. So if you are watching this video, I would like you to kindly to subscribe to this YouTube channel so as to we surpass that 2K subscribers. So behind me, it is a proposed 3-bedroom house that you see over here. 1 bedroom, its ensuite of which is a master bedroom, and then it has a kitchen, a dining, and a sitting room. So I will let you inside, and then you see how the progress that we see. But like you can see now, come and show them that we are on a roofing stage that you see over there. They have done roofing, so on tomorrow they will be just installing their iron sheet over there. So they have not yet arrived at this site, but I think in the tomorrow they will be delivered, and then on Tuesday we'll start doing our roofing. But look at the way you see our roofing has been has been done with a qualified fundi that you can see. Even the arrangement of the, like you can see, of the timbers, like you have seen over there, it is well arranged. And then even we have installed our feature boards that you see over here. We just we as in for ours we like to design to install the feature boards earlier before maybe after the completion, but we install it later earlier. And then like you can see here, this is an L-shaped window that is situated on our sitting room, like you can see here. So we have proposed to be that it will be a glass window that will be installed here, so as to bring that a beauty of this house. So over here, this is the balcony, the front porch of this house. Like you can see, we have installed our security, our socket of over here, so as you maybe want to, you can come and chill over here during the day or even in the night time when you are maybe bored inside your house. And then over here we have 2 beautiful pillars. There are 2 on each end, and then there is a single one over here. And then like you can see here, this is the beautiful work that is done here. It will be installed there. A molding work will be done with our fundi later, after we have complete our iron sheet, when it will be on a plastering stage. So I will let you inside this beautiful house, and then you see how amazing it is. So over here, this is the corridor, like you can see. But this corridor, on my left hand, it is a sitting room. On the other hand, that is a dining room. But we have proposed this dining room to be at least raised up, and then the sitting room will be a second, at least a lower level than compared to this dining room. So this is the dining room, like you can see over here. It's quite spacious, like you can see. It is well ventilated, like you can see. This they have 2 windows over here. So this is the first one, and the second one, it is over here. So in terms of electrical installation, we have done, like you can see, we have provided a wall bracket that is over here, and then there's a socket. As always, usually we provide a socket on this on a dining room, and then the other wall bracket, it's over there. And then here, like you can see, this is the serving window. This is the serving window that is over here, that will be communicating with our kitchen over there. So I will let you to this. This is now our sitting room, even though it's quite messy, but this the construction is still ongoing. So this is our sitting room, like you can see. It has the L window that I showed you. That is the L window, and then the other window, it's over there. But like you can see on the picture, this window, it's quite amazing. It's quite big, so as to have a sufficient natural light over this site. And then here, this is a provision for our TV, and then the antenna, and then here the double socket as usual we install there. And then over there we have already provided a provision for for the air condition, and then the yellow brackets we have all installed here in this side, in this bedroom, in this sitting room. And then here we'll come and then do a molding work on this arch that you see over here. So I will let you to the next. So like you can, this was the first corridor, and then here we have a little bit. This is the second corridor. Like you can see over here. Like you can see here, there's this one will be like a closet for this entire house. For that will be used, that will be over here. And then like you can see this one, this will be the gauge for the plaster. We have already done the gauging for this house. So our fundi will come, and then they will be following these steps that you see over here to guide them the type of the gauge for the plaster on this side. And then here, like you can see, this is a small partition that will be separating with our first bedroom and the second bedroom. And then here we have our toilet, of which will be, this is the one now will be a public toilet. Like you can see, already we normalize plumbing work to be at first, so as to ease the process for plumbing. Like you can see, we have already done when we were doing foundation. So this is the public toilet. Already it's waiting for the plastering and the other thing. And then here, like you can see, this is the provision for the switch over this one, over this the public toilet. And then here will be a DP switch that will be switching off and on the heater or the shower here that will be installed there. And then here, this is the first bedroom, but like you can see, it's quite amazing. It's quite huge. Even it has 2 windows. So the first one, like you can see, it's over here, and the second one, it's over here. And then this bedroom is not yet quite big as compared to the other ones, but it can accommodate, let's say, like 2 beds for, let's say, 4 by 6. That will be maybe, like you can say, 2. So maybe the first one, it might be there over here, and the second one, it might be over here. Maybe if you want a double decker, you can have it so as to have maybe to utilize space. And then on this other side here, we have this provision for the wardrobe. So our wardrobe will be running from this side up to here. So this is the room that we are located for, maybe let's say, look, for the children, for the owner of this house. So he or she that will be using this room, he has a proper storage capacity to hold his or her own clothes over while using this first bedroom. And then the plaster gauge, like you can see, it's already done on this wall. So I will let you to the next bedroom, of which is the second bedroom. Like you can see, this one is a little bit different with the other one. Like you can see, it has only a single window, due to on this other end we have like a toilet for the master bedroom. So it was too hard to put another window over here, but it was a concern, but it was not applicable. So this is the window, like you can see, but thank God we always provide a bigger window. So like you can see, this is the window for this this second bedroom. And then the provision for the wardrobe that is over here, so it will be coming from this end up to here. And then I think all for this second bedroom. And then even you see at the upper part, like you can see our roofing design, like you can see we have already done a smart. So I will let you to the master bedroom, and then I will let you to the kitchen. So here we have this. So over here, there's a small partition that we have installed here that welcome you to this master bedroom. So we have to protect privacy, so we have to build this a small partition. So when someone comes from this corridor, the main corridor over here, this main corridor, he or she can't see whoever is entering this master bedroom. So like we will come, and then a little bit we have put a secret door. At least we have little push it on this other end. So I will let you to this master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. It's an ensuite. Like you can see, it's quite huge, it's quite spacious. Everything we have done, like you can see, this is a wall, this is the window. So like you can see, our window comes from this is the window. So the window starts from this up to here, and then it's quite, even from here up to there, it's quite big enough. So there was our master bedroom is quite amazing, it's quite big. Even our electrical work we have done. So this is another socket that will be over here, and then this is provision for the lighting point for the the provision for the light, and the DP switch that will be controlling the water shower of this. So this is the master bedroom toilet. Like you can see, it's quite huge. Like you can see here, we have already done have a pointing for this. So this one is like for the toilet, and then this one will be for the flow trap for the water, to collect the water that will be, maybe after you have that, this will drain out the water on this side, on the toilet. And then on this other side of this master bedroom, here will be our provision for the wardrobes that will be installed here at later. And then even like you can see, the plaster gauge we have already provided on each and every room, so they will be guiding our fundi the gauge that will be using on each and every room. So I will let you to the kitchen, and then the store, and then I think we'll be ending our video. So this is the kitchen. Like you can see, we have already done our plumbing work, electrical work, and then even the window is quite amazing. It's quite huge, like you can see over here. And then here we have our serving window that will be communicating with our dining room at our dining room over there. And then here, this is the socket. So this socket will be for our fridge, and then the other one will be for the the worktop will be laid over here. So this one will be used for, maybe you have a blender or something that will be required to use while standing, and then maybe using our worktop. So we have already done. So I think this is the entrance that this is the exit that leads towards outside this house. And then over here we have this pantry. Like you can see, it is over here, and then it has even a window for easy ventilation, for the ventilation of this entire house. And then this is the exit door for this house, and then it has a rear porch at the east end over here. So we'll come, and then you see this is the rear porch. Like you can see, it's quite amazing, it's quite even huge. And then like you can see, we have already done this arc that will be later, they will be have a molding work on each end, so as to have to beautify the house over here. And then like you can see here, we have two pillars. Like they will be doing some molding work at the end of the day. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly like, subscribe, share, comment, and then if you want to acquire our services, our number is on our bio, or our email even is on our bio, or you can contact us on 07 46 28 96 67. And if you are abroad, you can start with +254 746 28 96 67. Maybe whichever, if you want to maybe constructional advice, you can just holler on our number. We can just give you maybe a drawing for the house plan. We can have you can negotiate, and then we'll have sorted. So let's meet on the next video, God willing.